geekStarter has been a huge sponsor for us this year.
geekStarter has also provided us with funding as well as workshops to help our members learn different skills.
geekStarter provided the money to buy the materials to do the prototyping and programming and electrical design work as well.
With geekStarter's help, we were able to construct 2 robots and 4 mini-bots, all of which we're implementing autonomous functions on that we've seen work in the game. The one game that we were really excited about was when our robot was autonomously able to find the switch. It's called the switch in the game, the balance that's on our side, and we just went up to it. The robot was able to find it and drop a cube on it, a power cube, one of those milk crates, and we got a lot of points for that.